going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you why your wheel may be making scraping noises after you either got the brake job done, or maybe got your control arm replaced, or maybe your axle replaced, and right after it started making noise, and you're wondering what's causing this noise, because it wasn't there when I got the when I brought the car to get my brake job done, or maybe my axle job done. So I'm going to show you what makes this scraping noise. Now, if this happened without anyone touching any of those parts that I mentioned, then it may be a wheel bearing related sound, because or either your brake pad is completely gone and is rubbing against your rotor, and then on the second case is your wheel bearing is not good, and then it's making those noises, scraping noises, because it's rubbing against the shield. But in this case where it wasn't there and it just happened right after the job was done, it's most likely due to the shield in the back of the rotor. They probably bent it while doing the job, and now it's rubbing against the rotor. And I'm going to show you how to straighten it to get rid of that noise. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver and just put it in between the rotor and the shield, and try to bend it, make sure there's enough gap between the rotor and the shield. Alright guys, straightening the shield fixed the issue for me. It's not making any more noises, but I would suggest always take your car to the certified mechanic just to get it checked, to make sure that your car is safe to drive and there is nothing else there that needs to be addressed. And thank you so much for watching the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.